Good morning, everybody. We're here going to be doing a DeliverThat catering order this morning, and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process. A few things before we get started. I want you to know you can always check the information within your DeliverThat app of your pickup time, your delivery time. You can also check your restaurant information as well as your customer information. I suggest you turn on your app 1 hour ahead of time. That way you're letting DeliverThat know that you're on and available for this trip. It also lets the restaurant know that you are on and available for the trip, so they know someone is coming to pick up this order. So once you've done that, feel free to review your information throughout the app. Go ahead and slide up the order so you can see the phone number for the customer, if there's a secondary phone number, or any special instructions. And let's get going on this order right here. We're going to walk you through it step by step for the beginner driver on DeliverThat. Always need to remember to show up 15 minutes ahead of time. That way we can take our catering bags and get loaded up efficiently. This gives us time to load the items in our bag, get them in our car, communicate to the manager who is handling the order, and then be able to get on the road. Locate the blue bar on the bottom of your screen, slide to the right to begin the job. All right, everyone, we're here at the restaurant. We're going to go ahead and talk to the manager on duty about this order. Make sure you're letting them know the Easy Cater order number you're here to pick up, take in your catering bags, and get things loaded up. Once you've received the order at the restaurant, make sure you go to your Delivered app and select Add Signature, and I'll show a screenshot now. And this is where you're going to find the person in charge of the order to sign your phone, and then click Add Signature. Once bagged up and you completed a signature onto the order, you can depart the restaurant by sliding over the depart the restaurant, in this case Fazoli's, and next it will prompt you to the customer's information, which can display the phone number, the secondary phone number, the name to contact, location. In this case it's Equity Bank, so I'm going to a bank to drop this off. One thing I would like to tell you guys is you always need to contact your customer when you're headed towards the drop-off to let them know your ETA, and that way they know to be looking for you and what entrance to tell you to go to. Make sure you tell them how far away you are, and if you have any specific questions about the drop-off or special instructions they need to let you know of, this is a good time to ask for those things. Customer, always keep your driver assistance portal information available. Right here I'll display the phone number as well as the way you should dress when doing these orders to be professional, and the driver assistance portal website. So if you have trouble, reach out to these folks for help. If you have an emergency, running behind, if your route is bad, if there's changes to the customer or you can't find the customer, you can't figure out how to get the food delivered, they will help you promptly. You need to do this immediately if you start to see that there's going to be concerns with your order. So we're here at the drop-off. I've already reached out to the customer. She let me know to go to Suite 125, so I'm going to go through the entrance, find Suite 125, and then communicate with her as to where she wants me to set up the order, and we're going to get this order completely set up for this customer. Alright guys, we got everything set up for the customer. When we go to set everything up, we want to set everything up in a nice professional manner, pleasant to look at, pleasing to the eyes, making them feel excited about getting their lunch. We also need to make sure that we upload that photo to the app, and then we need to let the customer know that their food has arrived. And once you've done that, we don't need to collect any more signatures, just upload the photo. And if the customer requested to take the order on their own, you could not upload a photo because they requested to set up on their own. You can select under Notes to mark customer requested to set up on their own, and that's just fine. DeliverThat's okay with that. So once you've done either of those items, you're complete. Slide Complete Job, and you are finished with this order, and that is all. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Throw a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to help you guys out, learn more and more about each one of these apps that I use. Have a nice day.